Good evening, ma'am. First of
Hel-
all, one of our most adorable, lovable, and caring ma'am. The tenure of madam was from 1985 till 1995, I suppose, ma'am. 10 years
Yeah,
in Kendriya Vidyalaya Karanja.
yeah.
We have got Kiran sir live. We have got, I think, Kulgaonkar madam is also live. Samar is
Hello,
live.
Vaishali.
Padmaja is live. Manju is there. Naval. Uh, Sushant Matre. Sachin. I think few of them are new students. Not you might not be knowing them,
Some
and
names.
few are seniors to, matlab much more seniors to us.
Oh,
So
wow.
might be there also there, like Sunita Vijayan. Sunita Vijayan was, I think she passed out from KV in late 80s, late 70s,
Hello.
79, 80, 82 or so. She's also there.
Hello.
Session, ma'am. First of all, we would like to know
Hello,
about
Chandrakant.
your
Long time.
experience.
Hello.
Your experience.
Hello, Captain Vasundhara.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
I can.
So the tenure when you had been in KV Karanja. Can you brief us about that first?
Yes. Actually, I didn't intend, teaching when someone from the school came to my house. I think a group D or someone, and he told me that the principal wanted to speak to me because they were running short of teachers. So, I mean, I thought, okay, let me just meet the principal, although I didn't intend continue picking up teaching so soon because my elder son was too young. So him that some naval officer's wife, she is a science teacher. She has been teaching science, and you could call her as an ad hoc teacher to fill in the gap of
Teacher.
a teacher, a science teacher. And then I told him, no, I'm not really interested until my child is 3 years old. He said, अरे देखेंगे आपको क्या करना है, we'll allow you to go home in between and you look after your child and come back again. So this is how it began as an ad hoc teacher, and then uh, a year later, I just applied for Kendriya Vidyalaya, appointments for all the three posts, and I got all of them. I was quite shocked, but I mean, unfortunately, I only got a PRT post in Karanja, and I got a TGT post in Devlali and a PGT post in Goa. And since my husband had left for 11 months to London, I didn't want to join a school in another station in his absence. So I just continued. I joined as a PRT, but I was teaching senior classes, and that's how I began. Then next year again, I applied because the principal told me, I feel very bad making you teach the senior classes, although you're drawing the pay of a PRT. So I applied, and again I got a PGT and a TGT appointment. But again, I wanted to just stay put wherever my husband was, so that I can do justice to both my teaching as well as my family. So I continued there, and then I was there for 8 more years, and it was something like a dream. First of all, Karanja is, of course, is like a resort. You'll agree with me. You can hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes. And of course, it is a unique place. And that school, everyone has seen the pictures of that school. I mean, just day before yesterday, someone had posted a 360 view of that school. My God, mind blowing. It's a lovely school. And of course, because the school is so lovely, the teachers and the students passing out of that school are really different. I can see one
You
in front
remember
of me.
some teachers, principal during your tenure?
Yeah, of course. The most outstanding principal has been Mrs. Ketkar. Has she joined us? No, she's
No, she's not
yeah,
there, I think.
such a dynamic lady. I mean, I picked up so many things from her qualities of leadership and how to execute anything systematically. And I remember her words when you know we had this we used to have really lavish and you can say uh, very high class these annual functions. She said, if anything goes
Yes.
wrong, the parents may excuse you, but I will not. So I remember her words. She was
Right.
such a perfectionist. And, she gave you all the facilities so that you could, give her
Yeah.
your best. And that is what I liked about her. And of
Some
course,
teachers,
there was, of course, um, Mr. Mandal also. But I had a little bad experience in the sense that towards the end, when I was leaving the school, he didn't really move my files, and all that kind of spoiled my career in the sense my files of leave were lying in school unattended for a very long time, and that's where my career, I mean, I couldn't shape my career because of all those things that were pending. But of course, I've had good
right?
principals.
Otherwise, some teachers,
Teachers, though, they are like my lifelong friends, like my bum pals, chaddiyars. and and of course, they had been such guiding forces for me, especially because I had had 3 years tenure in a very high-end school in Delhi, uh, Mothers International School, and it was a kind of a cultural shock for me when I joined Kendra Vidyalaya Karanja, because it is like mini India. We have all kinds of children coming from all kinds of backgrounds, and it was quite smooth sailing, teaching in Mothers International, because children came from, you can say, uh, economically well-off backgrounds, and if they couldn't cope up in school or they couldn't catch up, they always had a tutor to fall back on. But Kendriya Vidyalaya Karanjaya में तो teacher was all and all. अगर कोई बच्चा अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ रहा है तो वो टीचर की ही हेडेक है. तो आई रिमेंबर मिसेस सचदेव. When I used to sometimes, I think I call it snobbish now. उस समय मुझे लगता था I'm stating a fact कि ये बच्चे बिल्कुल मतलब how to teach them, सुनते नहीं है, पढ़ते नहीं है घर में. Some of them, we know. And
we were a part of that,
that
ma'am.
makes you no, that makes you very rich. There were some children who really couldn't afford to go home, do justice to studies anymore. उनके लिए तो स्कूल जाना ही बहुत था. So she says, anyone can teach a good student, but it's a real challenge for a teacher to teach
Speaking,
challenge. अच्छे बच्चों को तो, बट कोई बच्चा जो कि जिसका बिल्कुल फर्स्ट जनरेशन लर्नर है, और आप अगर उसको कुछ बनाने की कोशिश करते हो, वो आपने यू हैव डन जस्टिस टू योर प्रोफेशन, आई फील. So
very true,
yeah,
madam. Very true. Very true.
some of the teachers, of
How
course,
about Joshi, madam? If you remember,
yes, Joshi ma'am, really, God bless her soul, and it is very unfortunate that we lost her so early. And Joshi madam का ये था कि she was like a mother figure, especially when there used to be a gap between principals joining in and all because she was the senior most. So she used to be the acting
Senior
principal.
most, yeah.
Yeah. तो उस समय ऐसे लगता था कि बहुत कड़क हो गई है मिसेस जोशी और बिल्कुल किसी को सुनने के तैयार नहीं है और वो मैंने भी पॉइंट सीखा उनसे
Very
कि
true.
हाँ कि अगर आपके ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आती है तो देन यू कांट बी फ्रेंड्स यू नो फर्स्ट यू गॉट टू बी
Yeah.
डूइंग योर ड्यूटी फर्स्ट एंड देन यूर फ्रेंड्स ये बात
Duty
मैंने उनसे
first.
सीखी या otherwise she was a very very affectionate and she was also a very uh, big guiding force for me, especially in Kendriya Vidyalaya. I really needed some teachers to guide me. And if you remember, some other teachers, like, you know, if you remember,
Kulgaonkar
जो
madam.
हमारे कुलगांवकर मैडम, ऑफ कोर्स, उनसे मैंने सीखा कि हाउ टू बी प्रैक्टिकल इन लाइफ. Because I was young, you know, that time. तो मेरे लिए the world was black and white.
Yes.
So she taught me, you know, there are these gray areas also and learn to cope up with them.
Also.
Yes.
And you have managed it very well during your tenure. What we
Yeah,
have
I was
seen.
learning all the while from my colleagues, from my students also. From my students also. I think I was evolving with them as a teacher.
If you talk about Lily madam,
Lily Madam, of course, she was my head of the department and very quiet lady, but very efficient in her field. And there's Lalita Dev Madam, how can you forget her?
Lalita madam,
Uh, if you remember, I used to be house master of Shivaji House, and she, I think, used to be.
yes,
Does anyone remember Ashoka House or something? जब कंपटीशन का टाइम आता था, तब तो जो
I think
हमारे
Ashoka
बच्चे
House,
थे
yes,
वो
yeah,
अशोका आई थिंक है, तो वो पूरा उसको हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान बना देते थे. एंड देयर वर सम सेल्फ अपॉइंटेड
Pakistan, yeah.
जासूसेस आल्सो, यू नो, कि ना वो कोई जासूस छोड़ती थी ना मैं कोई जासूस छोड़ती थी. लेकिन एकदम से आएंगे, मैडम मैडम दैट ग्रुप सॉन्ग ना उन्होंने सा का पा कर दिया है, यू नो, समथिंग लाइक दैट. Means because she has
Yeah,
done it, you also do now. Da ka knee, you know. I mean, I'm just giving an example. And and
yeah,
it used
ma'am.
to be a closely guarded thing, you know, like we used to practice in those rooms ताकि कोई देखे ना. लेकिन जासूस दोनों साइड के होते थे.
किसी को पता न चले.
हाँ, किसी को पता नहीं.
दोनों साइड
You
के
remember
होते थे.
ये
In
competition?
fact, चारों के होते थे.
चारों के, लेकिन
चारों के होते थे.
हाँ, चारों house. One second.
Major
Again, the
competition
water
used to
pump.
be between you
One.
and madam. Yeah. So, friends, hope you are enjoying Madam Live. Any questions if you all want to ask, you can put it. I'll tell it because Madam is not, her vision is not so clear with the small alphabets on the screen.
Sorry, पानी की टंकी भर गई थी. And that water alarm. Yeah.
हाँ जी, ma'am. Yeah. So we start again.
Yeah, we can continue.
The story continues between Lalita Madam
Yeah.
and Vandana Madam.
And as I told you, now we are like bum pals. लेकिन उस समय कंपटीशन होता था और उसके बारे अब आई थिंक वो जो हाउसेस के बीच में कंपटीशन होता था, सो वी कुड रियली हार्वेस्ट द टैलेंट इन स्कूल. अब मैंने देखा है स्कूल्स में ज़्यादा इतना नहीं होता, बस खाना पूर्ति होती है. बट आई रिमेंबर इन केंद्रीय विद्यालय करंजा, because of this tough competition between the houses, all four, so we could really harvest the talent out of all the students.
Right, ma'am.
And you were one of them.
You remember Trivedi Madam and sir?
Yes, Trivedi Madam and sir, yes. There,
Pattar sir.
Pattar sir, although he came much later and I had left, so मेरा interaction उनके साथ थोड़ा कम हुआ था. But I remember Mr. Radhesham Sharma and his wife.
Okay.
They were newly married और हम काफ़ी उनकी खिंचाई करते थे.
Right.
And
Okay.
from the primary section, there was Sangeeta Shukramani, whom I again met in Kendra Vidyalaya number 3, Narayana Vihar in Delhi. And there was
Okay.
Suchitra Joshi ma'am. Yeah. So,
Right. And Barai sir, if you remember,
Barai sir,
Kiran
of course.
Salunke sir, if you
Kiran
remember,
Salunke, of course. He was like a bacha that time.
he is live.
Yes, yes. Hello, Kiran. Are you there?
Madam, yeah, he's there. He's
Yeah.
live. He's live. I can see him.
Okay.
Some students of your time, some good and bad, and some neutral.
Students तो मेरे लिए गुड बैड न्यूट्रल कुछ नहीं था. फॉर मी एवरी चाइल्ड वाज एन इंडिविजुअल, और मुझे हर बच्चे को
Right.
अलग तरह से ही देखना पड़ता था, बिकॉज आई रियली कुड नॉट do anything which it was nothing like one size fits all. तो हर एक बच्चे को अलग तरह से हैंडल करना पड़ता था, and any teacher who tries to do this one size fits all, she's really not doing justice to each child. So I would say कि I mean without taking any names, सभी बच्चे मुझे बहुत प्यारे थे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जो आपके न्यूरॉन्स को रियली आपके ब्रेन में जो वो हैं जो एच आउट करते हैं, वो तो या तो बहुत बदमाश बच्चे होते हैं या फिर बहुत ही अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं जो आपकी ना नोटबुक्स की इतनी बड़ी फाइल उठा के स्टाफ रूम में ले जाते थे, एंड देन थोड़ा सा क्लास में क्या हो रहा है थोड़ा बता भी देते थे. जैसे प्रदीप के बारे में भी एक ने आके बताया था, तो प्रदीप पिल्ले कि मैडम
क्या बताया था मैम?
बता रही हूँ कि टुडे ही केम टू द क्लास and he sat on the teacher's chair and he put his feet up on the teacher's table. Then there were two of us, I won't take any names. Oh, how did he do that? और वो स्कूल का कैप्टन है, उसने ऐसे क्यों? उस समय थोड़ा सा तुम्हारा दिमाग फिर गया था. Anyway, हमने बुलाया, फिर तुमको समझाया, and then of course you didn't do it. So like when we were having this watch party with you, you said कि मेरे friends मुझे अच्छे से जानते हैं, what am I? तो वो हम भी तुमने जानते थे, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
Thank you ma'am, thank you very much.
But of course एक बारी वो तो कर दो ना. मैं जब भी तुमको देखती हूँ मुझे बस स्कूल सावधान विश्राम प्रार्थना शुरू करेंगे, शुरू कर. एक बारी करो, एक बारी करो. वही आवाज निकाल
मैडम
के.
सबको खड़ा करना पड़ेगा मैडम, वो सब अपने अपने सब बैठे होंगे आराम से.
चलो कोई बात
एक्चुअली
नहीं.
मेरे प्रॉपर्टी में एक शूट चल रहा है, एक वीडियो शूट चल रहा है, सो आई कैन नॉट चिल्ला नहीं सकता हूँ मैं.
अच्छा, you mean to say you still want to take that बुलंद voice? Take out that बुलंद voice. बहुत बुलंद आवाज थी तुम्हारी.
अभी भी वैसी ही है मैडम. गेट पे खड़े रह के
अच्छा,
अगर बोलता हूँ तो
तो वो
रिसेप्शन
काम
तक
में आ
आवाज
रही है
जाती
इतने सालों की प्रैक्टिस है.
बिल्कुल आ रही है मैडम, बिल्कुल आ रही है.
गुड.
बिल्कुल आ रही है.
ये किसी ने कुछ
actually
कमेंट, एक मिनट
tell-
मैं कमेंट जरा देखना चाह रही थी. व्हाट इज हिज लास्ट कमेंट?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
Hello ma'am,
हाँ
thank
जी,
you for this live session. It feels like I'm sitting in my class. कौन है ये? दीपा. Okay, Deepa Pandey. She is from my Delhi school, केंद्र विद्यालय नंबर 4. Hello दीपा. ऐसे लग रहा है?
Okay.
अच्छा. होमवर्क कर लिया ना?
There are a lot many.
You remember how strict I was about homework collection and no cheating
Yes,
during
yes,
examination. तो वो ये
Exams,
नहीं था कि मैं
yes.
तुम्हारे मोगैम्बो का रोल कर रही थी. आई जस्ट वांटेड कि पढ़ाई के साथ साथ थोड़ा लाइफ स्किल्स भी आप लर्न करें कि ऑफ कोर्स आई डिडंट कैच यू डू चीटिंग एनी टाइम, बट जो बच्चे थे तो मैं उनको यही बोलती थी कि कब तक करोगे और ये तुम्हारी आदत पड़ जाएगी. देन यू विल ट्राई टू गेट एनीथिंग ओनली थ्रू चीटिंग, दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. अभी तो तुम्हें नंबर मिल जाएंगे, दैट काइंड ऑफ
Right,
थिंग.
ma'am.
सो व्हाटएवर आई डिड, क्योंकि आई नेवर यूज्ड अ स्टिक. हमारे जमाने में टीचर्स खूब मारा करते थे, बट आई नेवर यूज्ड
बिल्कुल
अ स्टिक और
हमारे जमाने में
एनीथिंग.
भी मैम.
हाँ नहीं, वही मतलब आपके ज़माने की बात कर रही हूँ. हमारे तो नकल्स पे स्केल पढ़ते थे. You people were much better off. So I never hit any child, but I believe children were scared of me, you know. I won't
Yes,
say,
people were, people
yeah.
were. Yes, I
So
know that,
I
ma'am.
had my own
I
ways and means.
remember. I I'll tell something. Lily, madam is live with CB.
Hello,
CB
Lily.
is also live. So, madam is telling hello to you, ma'am.
Hello. Hello, CB.
Then there
Nice
is
that you got your mom also along. Yeah.
Padmaja, who's telling that you taught us a dance about nature in 1989 annual function, in
Yes.
which Prashanti was sun and Padmaja was swan.
Okay.
Anita or Vidya, someone was nature or something like that.
ट्रीज वगैरह पकड़े होंगे, तो ज्यादातर मेरा वो थीम यही होता था,
Yes,
एनवायरनमेंट. और
यही
देयर वाज
होता
दिस
था.
क्षितिज कुलकर्णी, उससे मैं एक किस्सा मुझे याद आया कि जब हमारी ये प्रैक्टिस चलती थी तो सबको क्लासरूम्स दे दिए जाते थे. सो क्षितिज कुलकर्णी इज मिसेस कुलकर्णी, केमिस्ट्री टीचर्स सन.
Yeah.
तो वो दरवाजे पे खड़ा हो गया ऐसे करके. सो देन I just asked him, what do you want, Kshitij? So he says very seriously, ma'am, is there a role for me? So, so I believe these, dance dramas were very sought after जो मैं करवाती थी. So he wanted to be a part of it. So अब मैंने सोचा कि क्या करूँ अभी. एक बच्चा मेरे पास आया है और ज़्यादातर सिलेक्शन होता था. The teacher used to select, but this child has come to me, so I will have to create a role for him. So then I made him a wood cutter, the one who destroys nature.
Right.
Then his mother
Destroyed
told
it. Yeah.
me that he was telling me, Mummy, आप सक्सेना मैम से बोलो कि मुझे कोई रोल दे. She says, if you want to participate in it, you go yourself and ask her if there
You
is
go
a,
and
yeah,
ask.
yeah, I am not going
Okay.
to do that for you. So Mrs. Kulkarni का भी देखे
Arun
ये.
Bhalla is there. He is asking a question.
Who?
That I'll Arun Bhalla.
Okay, I thought
That I'll
Aruna.
ask you later. There is a question. I'll tell you. Aruna Bhalla. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Aruna.
She is
Hi.
asking, what are you doing nowadays? Still working?
Oh, Aruna, you came to my house, if you remember, in 2000. याद नहीं आ रहा मुझे. You remember the year? Can you type it? Anyway, so then in 2007 or 8, I decided to take voluntary retirement from Kendriya Vidyalaya because हाँ, मैं एक अच्छी खबर आपको बताना चाहती हूँ सबको कि 2002 में मुझे.
I wanted to ask this question later.
Okay.
I wanted to ask this question later.
Okay.
Anyways, you have started. Let us continue on that.
So shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Please.
So in 2002 मैं आपको एक खुशी की बात बताना चाहती हूँ कि बच्चों ने मुझे इतना होनअप कर दिया था कि KVS thought that I was good enough to get a national award, KVS National Award. And of course, I had a very encouraging principal that time, Miss Bali, and she gave my name and I got this award. So I was telling Aruna that in 2007 or 8, I decided that, now I must hang my boots. And since I had started getting offers to write books and all, and NCRT had been calling me for several workshops, so I had, uh, uh, a lot of experience about writing my, this teaching, learning strategies for the books. Because now, as you know, that the textbooks are no longer, those, you can say, full of. So I thought कि चलो अब टीचिंग को छोड़ के जैसे मैंने पढ़ाया है और जो मैंने गेन किया उनको बुक्स में डाला जाए. तो मैंने
Books में डाला जाए,
प्राइवेट
yes.
पब्लिशर के लिए लिखा एक, हाँ, बुक्स में डाला जाए. और NCRT ऑफ कोर्स यूज्ड टू कॉल मी ऑफन. एंड बल्कि अगर किसी का बच्चा, अभी तो आप लोग बड़े हो गए हो, किसी का बच्चा अगर क्लास 10th में है तो उनकी साइंस बुक में देखेंगे तो आई एम इन द डेवलपमेंट टीम ऑफ दैट बुक, the NCERT class 10th science book.
Okay.
And of course in a lot of health books also published by NCERT. And the latest book that we have done is a handbook of handbook for teachers for teaching science through activities, games and all. It was very exciting क्योंकि जो भी मैंने अपनी teaching career में किया to make my teaching, learning strategies, you know, exciting for the children. And I found them successful because children were enjoying and they were performing better, you know. So then I just put them in the books, and that is what I had been doing. But these days, Aruna, I'm into sensitizing batches of students from different schools on topics of environment, and mainly to do with segregation of waste and vermicomposting. So I'm into kachra business, frankly speaking, these days. अभी तो ये लॉकडाउन हो गया, एंड हॉलीडेइंग। और हाँ, पहली बात तो मैंने जॉब इसलिए छोड़ा ताकि आई एम फ्री टू मूव एनी टाइम एनीवेयर, क्योंकि नहीं तो छुट्टी वुट्टी का चक्कर होता था। So anyway, every Saturday I have a group of friends. We go, we choose our location, wear gloves and mask, and with tongs we pick up kachra, and sensitize people around, because you know very well how much we depend on, these, you can say, सफाई कर्मचारीज, और उनकी ज़रूरत हमें क्यों इतनी पड़ती है, क्योंकि हम सफाई नहीं रखते हैं, क्योंकि हम सोचते हैं कोई है हमारा कचरा उठाने वाला। तो these days I'm also into this.
स्कूल में करते थे वही जो स्कूल में करते थे वही आप प्रैक्टिकली यहाँ पे
करते थे और करवाते थे।
बिल्कुल मैम,
तो वही कर रही हूँ बस।
So Padmaja tells your scooter on which you used to.
Beg your pardon?
Hello, can you hear me?
I cannot hear you very clearly. I heard something like scooter.
Padmaja is telling that your scooter on which you used to come along with your son.
Okay.
The only teacher who used to drive, I think, Bajaj. It was Bajaj, right?
Bajaj Chetak.
Yeah.
Light green color.
Chetak, yes.
But उसकी भी स्टोरी है, पता है? बेचारे स्कूटर ने मेरी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में बहुत झेला, और वो पूछो कैसे, कि अगर मैंने किसी दिन किसी को चीटिंग करते पकड़ा या उसको थोड़ा सा डांट दिया या कुछ, तो नीचे जब मैं जाती थी तो देखती थी स्कूटर की सीट पे कैश 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 कैश, उसका टायर पंचर। देन आई टुक परमिशन फ्रॉम प्रिंसिपल कि मैं बिल्कुल गेट के किनारे पे, मतलब वो जो एंट्रेंस गेट था टू द बिल्डिंग, नॉट टू द स्कूल कैंपस, मैं वहाँ पे खड़ा करना चाहती हूँ, बिकॉज पहले मैं दूर खड़ा करती थी। सो एनीवे द प्रिंसिपल अलाउड, एंड थोड़ा फिर वो स्कूटर बचा रहा, फिर मैं भी थोड़ी सी सोबर डाउन हो गई। ऐसे भी यार घर जाने की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है अगर स्कूटर का टायर पंक्चर मिलता है तो। सो यस आई रिमेम्बर दैट स्कूटर। एंड देन इन 2008 व्हेन आई वेंट, आई विजिटेड केंद्रीय विद्यालय करेंजा अगेन, तो मैंने देखा वहाँ तो कार और स्कूटर्स की लाइन थी। अब तो आई मीन जमाना बदल गया।
साइकिल, बिल्कुल, तब हम साइकिल पे आते थे स्टूडेंट्स। अब तो साइकिल मेरे ख्याल से दिखता ही नहीं है वहाँ।
There used to be a cycle stand.
I had also gone about 2009-10.
Yeah, there was a cycle stand there. 2 cycle stands.
No more, I think.
Yeah. I think we'll be coming back to all this.
Deepa Pandey is there, ma'am.
Yeah, Deepa Pandey is from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 4, Delhi Cant.
Okay.
Yeah.
She is telling, thank you, madam, for this live session. It feels like that she's sitting in your class and listening to you carefully.
Okay. Nice of you. You're still a very patient girl.
Acha, whatever you said for that, Vilas is telling. Vilas, if you know, 2 brothers, Tilu and Vinu.
Vinu, I remember, yeah. Okay. What is he
Vinu,
saying?
Tilu.
Okay.
He is telling Pradeep Pillai is much more than that, ma'am.
Of course. I mean, it's a wonder that he's fitting into the screen. uh, मगर
Yes, Deva
जबरदस्त
madam
वो
is
भी
there.
था,
She's telling
जबरदस्त
hi.
वो भी था, प्रदीप पिल्ले, वो उस 90s 80s का भी जबरदस्त था, अभी भी जबरदस्त है.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Ma'am, Simi madam is also there. Sachdeva madam.
Sajidava
She's
ma'am is there.
telling good to
Hello,
see you
ma'am.
again.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, she's such a sweet lady. I remember, I mean, she used to call me over and treat me to, lovely dishes when my husband was away for 10 months. She says, come over. And then used to cook nice dinner for me and all. It's a very sweet lady.
Sibi is telling, madam, I never miss any of your posts on FB. Still the bold and beautiful.
And I remember Sibi as MS perfectionist.
Some more questions. Now, no more questions there. Ma'am used to give us 5 marks compulsory diagram. Amol Mishram says.
या और उसके रूल्स क्या क्या थे अमूल मशरूम को याद है? लेबलिंग कैसी होनी चाहिए, एरोज ऑफ लेबलिंग कैसे होने चाहिए, उसका टाइटल कैसे लिखा होना चाहिए.
Madam, some sweet memory of Kendriya Vidyalaya.
ऑफ केंद्रीय विद्यालय करंजा.
Karanja.
या ऑफ कोर्स. स्वीट ही स्वीट, अब तो स्वीट ही स्वीट, मतलब इन जनरल स्वीट मेमोरी. अब स्पेसिफिक स्वीट मेमोरी क्या बताऊं? मुझे अच्छा लगता था व्हेन अर्ली मॉर्निंग, बड़ा अच्छा लगता था वो स्कूल में जाते ही. जैसे कि माय मदर हैड कंपोज्ड अ सॉन्ग फॉर करंजा, बट वो इट वाज सो फिटिंग फॉर आवर स्कूल आल्सो. इफ यू अलाउ मी, कैन आई सिंग दोज लाइन्स?
It would be great if Auntie joins us.
Yeah, I'll just call her. Actually, my throat is bad these days, but I'll sing those lines.
Yeah.
If you remember, that school had a little hill behind and sea
Yes.
in front, and of course
front.
the trees. And कितने खुले एरिया में है उसका
हाँ जी,
जो playground है. I mean, you can hold an Asiad some event in it. So
Very true, ma'am.
मैं वो गाने की लाइंस याद करें. हाँ, अगर जैसे आप स्कूल में खड़े हैं तो यू कैन जस्ट इमेजिन. मंद मंद पवन बहे, सागर भी लहर लहर, पर्वत है आर पार, कहते हम बार बार, we love you KV Karanja. This was just a
Lovely,
tukka.
ma'am. This was written by
My mother.
Auntie.
But I added the last line, we love you KV Karanja.
Okay.
But she
Correct.
wrote this poem when she had come visiting. And
Right.
she was so inspired by the beauty of the place that she wrote this poem. So I sort of,
Okay.
just modified it a bit. And I'll just call my mother. If you can just wait for a second.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. बिल्कुल.
She'll be here in a while. Actually, she's a little hard of hearing. So I don't think she'll
Okay.
be able to hear anything that you say. And
Okay.
uh,
We would love to hear
you
her.
what?
We will not say anything. We can
Okay,
hear.
I'll just tell her to say anything. She won't be able to, make out much. She has to put on her hearing aids and all. मम्मी आप ये
Okay.
पहनेंगे, कान में पहनेंगे, ये आई
Hello everyone.
Namaste, madam.
He is hosting the watch party. Say louder, mummy, louder.
Huh?
How are you,
जोर से
ma'am?
बोलो.
Can't hear.
How are you?
Pradeep, can you? Hello.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
I'm asking, how are you, ma'am?
He's asking, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you all?
Good, ma'am. Very good.
So I just sang your poem, Manda Manda Pavana Bahe. I told them that you wrote it.
We just heard the song.
Uh, so what all are you doing on this during all this lockdown and unlockdown?
This is what
Everyone stuck
everybody
at their
is
own
doing.
places, different places. That's how now we have started connecting each other.
Started connecting with each other.
Acha, acha. That's good. And
This lockdown has given us this opportunity.
I can't see.
Now just speak. I've increased the volume. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I think for
I'm telling this lockdown has given us this opportunity.
lockdown has given an opportunity to connect
Yes,
this
yes,
way.
yes. That's good. At least one thing is good about this corona.
Yeah.
That everyone has got connected. I'm writing an article about that.
Yes, lot of.
It
Okay.
takes time. It will come in 2-3 days time in the Facebook.
She's written an article which
On
she'll
the
post
Facebook.
on Facebook.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, ma'am. We'll be waiting for that.
Yeah. She is quite active on Facebook and she has already written 3 books herself. Her
Okay.
childhood
Great, ma'am.
memories
Great.
and poems in English and a book on Kavita in Hindi.
You were there in Mothers International?
No, mummy.
No.
In Kendriya Vidyalaya Karanja.
Acha, Karanja, oh God. Long back.
Karanja, ma'am.
जब आपको जाना
Acha.
Okay, she's
Okay.
saying bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye.
Take care.
Okay, you.
Let me just see if my earphones have got connected back. Can
Yeah,
you say
it is.
something?
You can hear?
Yeah,
You can hear me?
yeah, I can.
Yeah, ma'am. Aruna is asking again, where is Anurag and Adhiraj?
Aruna Bhalla ma'am. Is it Aruna Bhalla ma'am or someone?
Hello?
Some
Yeah,
ex-student
Aruna
or
Bhalla madam is asking.
Okay.
Aruna Bhalla ma'am, yeah. Where is Anurag and Adhiraj?
Anurag is in Vancouver, Canada.
Canada?
And Adhiraj
Right.
is in Singapore. And Adhiraj is married. I have a daughter-in-law who's from Philippines, and Adhiraj has a daughter whose name is Artha. Artha as in Hindi, Arth,
Arth.
a Sanskrit name, yeah.
And Anurag?
Anurag
Anurag is married?
Anurag, since he works from home, so he doesn't get time to mingle. So he's still single. I think Anurag will be
Okay.
there.
That's great.
अभी वो मुझे डांट खिलाएगा. So work from home के बहुत नुकसान भी होते हैं.
नुकसान भी होते हैं.
When you don't mingle, then you don't remain single for a longer time.
Single, yeah. Vilas is again telling on a lighter note
Yeah.
that madam used to narrate an incident where guys used to follow your scooter.
Guys used to follow my scooter or not like me driving a scooter. Did I narrate that incident? I think कोई मैं MCP related कोई बता रही होंगी. मेल शॉविनिस्टिक स्टोरी
अच्छा।
कोई बता रही होगी.
Male chauvinist. Yeah, yeah.
So बताया हाँ, when I was in college, yes. So they used to sprinkle.
Okay, Nandu is also live.
Hello,
हाँ
Nandu.
जी ma'am. There's a sprinkle.
With a squeezy bottle, they used to spray, not sprinkle,
Squeezy bottle. Yeah.
spray acid on my clothes. And I used to feel
Oh.
ting, 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 ting.
Oh.
Yeah. And then when I used to reach college, I used to think ये छोटे छोटे छेद कैसे हो गए कपड़ों में, because हाँ वो MCP होते थे कोई कोई, they used to not like me going around on scooter to college.
Yeah.
So they used to do that, but ठीक है, that made me brave and to face such things in life. And you must have seen
Right.
that I used to always encourage the girls to be bold. I still remember a
Yes.
lot of girls
Yes.
coming to me. बल्कि मेरे को एक्यूज करते थे लड़के कि अगर किसी लड़के या लड़की में लड़ाई होगी, मैम विल ऑलवेज टेक द साइड ऑफ द गर्ल. They used to say that.
Very true.
So
Let us have some bad memory of Kendriya Vidyalaya. If you have, I don't think it would be there.
I don't
Minus
think
what you said about
हाँ थोड़ा सा मेरा
about
वो
the last
last
tenure
part
when
for
you
about
were-
1.5 years. My file I had got transferred to Delhi, but 1.5 साल बाद मेरे पर्सनल फाइल आई दिल्ली वाले स्कूल में, और 3 साल तक आई वॉज ऑन द सेम पे because no decision was taken. That was
Okay.
quite, I mean, sort of disgusting an experience, because I felt that the principal should have helped me. I wasn't that bad a teacher, and I did whatever I could best do.
Never,
best
madam.
for
You were one of the
So-
favorite teachers of I
so,
think the
Pradeep,
tenure what you were there.
I was never very ambitious about, becoming a principal or an education officer or anything, because I always believe that अगर मैं home life और work life को balance कर सकूं, तो I'll be able to do justice to both sides. तो but केंद्रीय विद्यालय में मेरी vertical growth चाहे नहीं हुई. As I told you in the beginning, I let go, PGT post and all. Everyone used to say, अरे whatever it is, but I wanted to be with my family, and I had just begun my family. I didn't want to be so ambitious about becoming a principal or anything in future. I just wanted to enjoy my job and do justice to my family anyway. So what was I saying? Yeah. So I mean, I didn't. You were asking me about some bad memories. So I don't have any bad memories as such, but I always think that these things, sort of made me a better person or a teacher in other ways. So मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ, मेरी वर्टिकल ग्रोथ नहीं हुई केंद्रीय विद्यालय में, लेकिन मेरी लैटरल ग्रोथ इतनी हुई कि अभी भी मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि अगर मुझे कहीं रिसोर्स पर्सन की तरह बुलाया जा रहा है, तो मुझ में वो कुछ ही होंगे, स्पेशली एन इंस्टीट्यूशन लाइक NCERT.
Right, ma'am.
So I'm happy.
Acha.
In all, I mean, no
One
bad
of the-
memories.
No bad memories.
Yeah.
Something to tell about the most notorious student you came across in that 10 years tenure.
मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि कोई भी अगर नोटोरियस है तो उसको कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. So I used to not see superficially what this person is, indulging in. थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखना पड़ता था to go deeper into the psyche of that person, and वो धीरे धीरे वो मेलो हो जाता था. एंड मैंने कई बारी अब जो मैं आई एम इन टच विद स्टूडेंट्स, तो वो मुझे बताते हैं कि हाउ दे बिकेम अ बेटर पर्सन बिकॉज आई हैंडल देयर प्रॉब्लम दिस वे. सो नोटोरियस कोई
Right.
बच्चा नहीं होता मेरे
Very
ख्याल
true,
से. यू जस्ट नीड पेशेंस and you have to give time to understand the problem of that child, and get him out of it or get
अच्छा
her out of it. There have also been girls. So you really, जैसे अपने बच्चों के
ओके
साथ होता है.
राइट बिल्कुल बिल्कुल वेरी ट्रू वेरी ट्रू वो तो मुझे याद है एज यू सेड कभी आपने छड़ी नहीं उठाई
हाँ, कभी नहीं
in the
उठाई.
entire tenure we remember
उससे
and
मुझे याद आ रहा
I
है.
remember we 10th 11th हम आपके क्लास में से आए प्रणब रणवीर बिजू बिजू मोहन we all used to do mass bunking from the class
मेरे क्लास में से
and
भी.
suddenly we came to know that लड़कियां ही सिर्फ है और आपने उनको पढ़ा दिया और होमवर्क दे दिया और बोल दिया कि हमें बताना नहीं
हाँ.
क्या होमवर्क दिया हुआ है
अगर किया आगे मुझे क्या करना है वो मैं देखती थी. मतलब ठीक है. मतलब आई डोंट नो, आई रिएक्टेड द वे आई डिड बिकॉज आई थॉट कि इसका कुछ लॉन्ग टर्म सोल्यूशन तो ढूंढना ही पड़ेगा. आज के दिन ये कहानी खत्म नहीं होगी.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
सो वो छड़ी उठाने का है ना.
बिकॉज ऑफ यू ऑल टीचर्स हाँ जी
छड़ी उठाने का
हाँ जी
आई
मैम
रिमेंबर इन केंद्रीय विद्यालय दिल्ली कैंट. I went to my class and I saw one dandi lying on the desk. So then I said, "ये किसने रखी है यहाँ पे?" So the children, you know, they started looking at each other. Then someone said that Falane, that teacher, he left it. Let's say he or she. So and then I said, "But why does he or she uses it?" So they said, "Yes." I said, "Where?" They said, "If you don't do homework or anything, then he gives us this beating." So I did not really like it because I had my own ways and means. They also must have been, you know, traumatic for the children, but I didn't physically really hit them. So then I just took the chadi and broke it into pieces, and the children were looking at me कि अब तो अभी तक तो हमारी शामत आती थी, अब तो मैडम की शामत आई.
शामत आएगी
Then because I knew the name of the teacher and I threw those pieces into the dustbin, and when I met him or her and I told that I'm ashamed to teach in a school where teachers use a stick to discipline the students. He or she started saying, "Ma'am, ऐसा नहीं करेंगे, ये इनको आदत है, इनके तो घर में भी बहुत पिटाई होती है." And all the more reason I said that हमें यहाँ पर उनको और जितना हम प्यार और समझ से उनको ये करवा सकें या समझा सकें, it's required. So I'm not praising myself, but I have always been against hitting children to teach them.
hitting children
Yeah.
right
But अपने बच्चों
in
को
fact
तो
the same goes
सुनो तो अपने बेटों को तो मैं
हाँ जी
anything, खड़ी चप्पल anything.
why that ma'am why that
नहीं, means
why
not
that ma'am?
always, but it's not that I didn't spare the rod, of course. अपने बच्चे को तो you
Okay.
know, yeah.
I remember I don't remember in fact till now
Yeah.
we have hit our children till date. My son is in 12th and my daughter is doing MBA.
Yeah.
We have never since childhood till now we have never even slapped.
Your times are different. So, but of course, and one should sort
But
of bring
हमने
it.
खाया बहुत है
हाँ हाँ. तो अब पता नहीं वेदर तुमने ये भी सुनाई है अपने बच्चों को, या क्योंकि हमने बहुत खाया है इसलिए आज देखो हम आज भी सुधरे हुए इंसान हैं. तुम लोग ने खाया नहीं.
सुधरे हुए हैं
No,
नहीं आज
times are
मेरे
different.
बच्चे मेरे से ज्यादा बेटर है
सुधरे हुए हैं. That's good. You make a good parent, I must say. And you know that is what you have learnt in your school. यही आपने life skills
Yes.
अपने अंदर imbibe
सीखा.
की हैं, तो
बिल्कुल
इसलिए
मैम
it's good.
Madam, I feel that because of you all teachers, today what we all are, I am not talking about me, I am talking about all of them who are live and the other ones who are not even live.
Yeah.
The period 2 years before me and about 5 years after me, the batch who all were there, I know most of them, I speak to them, and everyone is doing superb in their life.
That's true.
because our जो हमारी नींव है, हिंदी में कहूँगा नींव जो हमारी है ना वो बहुत स्ट्रांग है आप लोगों की वजह से.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for that, ma'am.
And even I
And
all,
thanks to all the teachers who are live.
और मैं भी हमेशा यही सोचती हूँ कि अ, जब भी मैंने अ, कोई भी डीलिंग की है या जब मैं पढ़ा रही थी उसके दौरान भी subconsciously, I won't say I was doing it consciously. I just wanted each and every child to become a good human being at the end of the day. That's all.
Right, ma'am. Right, ma'am. Before coming to KV Karanja, you were where? And after KV Karanja, where were you?
Before KV Karanja, as I said, that I was teaching in a public school, Mothers International School in Delhi. And
Delhi?
yeah.
Okay.
And after KV Karanja, I was in Kendra Vidyalaya number 4, Delhi Cant. And then because they opened higher classes, I became surplus because PGTs came. You won't understand the technicality of it. When PGTs came,
Yes,
then to, give them their load of work, they were supposed to teach the lower classes. So we, TGTs, became surplus. So I was posted to another school nearby in Delhi Cant, which is number 3, from number 4 to number 3. And there I taught for 1 year.
Okay.
And then I decided to quit. Kendra Vidyalaya, yeah.
Okay. Right. Nowadays, you are in Noida,
Yeah.
lockdown. I think Sir is not there as we spoke yesterday.
He
For 90
ultimately
days, this
got
has passed 90 days, I think.
he ultimately got a slot in this Vande Bharat evacuation flight. So he's coming
On the 16th.
on the 16th. And
On the 16th,
yeah.
right?
And
Right.
then there will be a whole lot of quarantine and all that. So it's a long way. But anyway,
Yeah.
he's coming back. But I'm happy that I could scrape through alone with my parents. And I want to give
Right.
a lesson here to all of you that आपको पता नहीं चलता कि आपके पेरेंट्स कब ओल्ड हो गए हैं. ओल्ड वो दिखते हैं, लेकिन व्हेन दे स्टार्ट रियली बिकमिंग डिपेंडेंट ऑन यू, वो भी नहीं पता चलता. बट देन यू, व्हाट आई फील इज़ कि हमें इस बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए थोड़ा सा सोचना चाहिए इन फ्यूचर हाउ दे आर going to fend for themselves or how we are going to look after them remotely or closely. ये सबको अपने थोड़ा पेरेंट्स के बारे में एक प्लान बना लेना
सोचना
चाहिए.
चाहिए.
हाँ, वो पता ही नहीं चलता कि when they have become
No,
old.
that is also very good.
Yeah.
Yes, it is very good when you get time to spend with your parents.
Yeah.
Lucky enough, those who are with their parents or their grandparents or even with in-laws.
Yeah.
I am not that so lucky because the entire lockdown I have been stuck in my
Yeah.
property here in Jaipur.
Yes. वही मैं कह रही हूँ
90
कि
days.
हाँ.
It has passed 90 days that I. Yes.
Yeah.
Some one best teacher of yours.
Best colleague, you mean? Or my own teacher?
Yeah, colleague.
My teacher.
Your teacher.
My teacher,
Yeah.
I remember in school there was one sister Jovita, because वही मैं बोलूँगी subconsciously, I've been emulating what I picked up from them. And she was very methodical and very systematic. This was a school, St. Joseph's School in Faridabad. I also changed many schools. Till I finished my 11th, I had changed 7 schools. 7 schools, imagine. So,
Okay.
yeah. So I remember Sister Jovita, and in college I remember our professor, Dr. Santokh Singh, who, sort of, he was the person who really, जिन्होंने ना environment के लिए जैसे, मेरे अंदर वो awareness create किया. And he lives in the city that you do, Ludhiana. And he
Okay.
must be about,
Ludhiana.
yeah, he must be
Okay.
about 95 years old or something. And that reminds me,
Okay.
I did my I completed my MSc in 78, and you won't believe, 97 I went for a trekking this thing to Kullu area. तो जो हमारा ग्रुप था,
Right.
इट वाज अ नेवी एडवेंचर सेल ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था. तो बताया गया
Right.
हमें कि देयर इज़ वन प्रोफेसर सिंह हु इज़ कमिंग टू स्पीक ऑन एनवायरनमेंट. सो आई सेड ओके, कोई होंगे, चलो सीखेंगे कोई नई चीज़. सो आई पास थ्रू दैट रूम एंड यू वोंट बिलीव प्रदीप, पहले हम अपने प्रोफेसर्स को है ना स्मूथ सामने ऐसे इतनी अच्छी तरह नहीं देखते थे जितना उनका बैक अच्छे से देखते थे, और जैसे ही अगर वो टर्न करते थे वी यूज्ड टू
Yes.
लुक डाउन. I looked at the back of the
Down.
gentleman. I said, "This looks so familiar." And Dr. Singh, कहीं ये डॉक्टर संतोष सिंह तो नहीं है जो हमारे MSc? You won't believe, 78 and 97, कितने साल हो गए? काफ़ी साल हो गए.
78 and 97.
Yeah.
Yes.
So whatever.
About 14 years. 14,
More than
78
that.
and 97.
Yeah, yeah.
19 years.
19 years, yeah. So
19 years.
I just crossed that room and then I said, oh, he sounds like Dr. Santokh Singh. And from his, from back, he looks like Dr. Santokh Singh. So anyway, when he left the room, I just asked the organizer, who's the speaker? They said Dr. Santokh Singh. That time he was 75 years old when he had come, and he had come with a mission to clear garbage from this area. वो कौन सा वहाँ पे कहलाता है पास, रोहतांग पास. मतलब
रोहतांग
हाँ,
पास.
मतलब कि वो वहाँ पे अपनी टीम को लेके आए थे कि जो ये टूरिस्ट होते हैं ये कितना लिटर वगैरह बिखेर देते हैं. तो ही हैड दिस ग्रुप. हाँ. सो आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि कोई कोई हमारे जो ऐसे टीचर्स होते हैं और उनका इम्प्रेशन हमारी लाइफ में, मतलब इट लास्ट अ लाइफ लॉन्ग.
Yes.
Something or the other about them. So when you asked me, I remember.
Your colleague,
Colleagues?
favorite colleague?
I never had any
KV Karanja.
favorites.
I'll not talk. The best. Or
I've always had, with my favorite ones, I've always had a love, hate, and very, you can say, open kind of dealing. And I would put Lalita Devman first on that list.
Right, man.
So we are very frank with each other.
Favorite child? In
Favorite
school?
child तो सब favorite है मेरे, सब. No favorite child as such.
Any one specific? Any one specific?
अभी तो मुझे सिर्फ एक ही दिखाई दे रहा है, वही है प्रदीप पिल्ले.
नहीं और बहुत है मैडम, लाइव बहुत है.
सब हैं.
There is संजू.
सब हैं फेवरेट मेरे, और जैसे ही उनका नाम आता है तो कुछ ना कुछ अच्छी सी चीज़ मुझे उनके बारे में याद आ जाती है. अगर पास नहीं याद आ रहा तो प्रेजेंट. समटाइम्स यू वोंट बिलीव कि लोग इतने खुश हो जाते हैं अपनी किसी अचीवमेंट पे, किसी की शादी हुई है या ही जस्ट गॉट मैरिड और ही इज़ जस्ट बीन ब्लेस्ड और शी इज़ जस्ट बीन ब्लेस्ड विद अ चाइल्ड, या नई नौकरी है या कुछ, दे लीव मी अ मैसेज. मुझे इतनी खुशी होती है व्हेन दे वांट टू शेयर देयर हैप्पीनेस विद मी. कई लोग ने अपनी यू कैन से डिफ़िकल्टीज़ भी मेरे साथ शेयर की हैं. मैंने उनको कुछ ना कुछ अपनी समझ से सोल्यूशन देने की भी कोशिश की है. सो एवरीवन इज़ स्पेशल फॉर मी. Everyone is special.
That is more important, because if anyone is having that openness that he can reach out to you and speak to you,
Yeah.
he or she, that becomes a very very great thing.
I was really
वो
shocked.
incident का तो मुझे याद आया. I had gone to Lucknow. I had met Trivedi sir and ma'am.
Okay.
I think about 5 years back. Approximately 5 years. My son had a question
Okay.
to ask from sir. So he said, okay, go on. He said, sir, आपने कभी पापा को मारा है? So he said, नहीं, मारा तो नहीं है. हाँ, NCC में था तब from that thing which you clean the nozzle of 303, that
Oh,
string
okay.
which you have from
Okay.
with that.
Mm-hmm.
Then he asked, "Papa, कैसे थे पढ़ाई? मतलब स्कूल में कैसे थे?"
Mm-hmm.
So then he said कि he used to be one of my favorite student.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, after completion of my schooling, after 20 years of that, today I have come to know that I was the favorite of his. Like now today you told.
So,
We all used to feel in class ninth, 10th, see, till 8th, so it was different. Ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th, all used to feel यार हम लोग ना कुछ ओवर कर बैठ रहे हैं. जैसे स्पेशली टीचर्स लाइक यू, लिली मैडम, जोशी मैडम, पत्तार सर, you all used to handle us so very well that today we understand when we have to handle our own kids.
thank you.
There we have got two, you had to handle 30 of them, 35 of them, 28 of them. That actually has made us what we are today.
Thank you, Pradeep. I'm so happy
Uh,
to see you all. I wouldn't say give so much importance to well placed, but each one of you has turned out as such a good human being. That's what I'm happy about.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. Anything what you want to tell to everyone who all are live?
I would only like to say, yeah, that put on your mask. Always when you go out,
I don't have. Yeah.
hand wash, don't fail. And if you can't do social distancing, then put on this face shield.
You are carrying everything, huh?
I just got them online, so they were lying here. Anyway,
Okay.
so
Okay.
what I mean to say is that don't get adventurous yet. And, at your age, it might look very sort of stifling to be uh, sitting at one place. But if you have to venture out, take all precautions. Take all precautions and be well informed. That's all. And
Right, ma'am.
we hope to, pass through this phase and get done with it quickly. As,
Soon.
yes,
Yeah.
as soon as possible.
Yeah. Right,
That's
madam.
all.
So
And I
next
love you all,
we might
and I
have.
love to hear from each one of you what you're doing. I mean, up to I also see your children, virtually growing up. कैसे babies, you've been posting pictures of babies.
Yes.
अब तुम्हारी बेटी जो है, MBA, has she? Pradeep, yours?
Just yeah, our exams are over. Yeah,
Oh,
exams are over.
okay, okay. So that's what I'm saying. कि कहाँ तुम खुद पढ़ रहे थे and now your kids are, completing their education. And one of my students from Mothers International, उसकी तो बेटी की भी शादी हो गई है. तो I mean,
Okay.
yeah. तो कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है ओ काफ़ी
तो आप
लंबा,
दादी हो गए हो.
हाँ काफ़ी लंबा समय बीत चुका है.
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल.
And I really
Right, ma'am.
give all my love to them, all my love to all those who are, live on this watch party and watching this. I don't know. I hope you could get something from me, like any memories that you were
Yes,
looking
ma'am.
for.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes,
Oh, that's all.
yes, yes. Right, ma'am.
Okay.
Next time we would be again hosting some other teacher, and I would love if you would be there live that time.
Of course.
Most probably we are trying. I will not say the name. I will not say the name because it should be surprise.
Of, of course. I don't know I'll try to, get a little more tech savvy.
It was initial, yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, what happens is once you start connecting,
Yeah.
it takes little time.
Yeah. Okay.
What we did earlier was Messenger, not the live session.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was a mistake because
Yeah.
if we would have gone live,
Then
then people would have been there on live connected.
and I would have been
That's why we did
familiar
not go
with the
live.
icons and all.
Right,
I wasn't
right,
familiar.
right, right,
Yeah.
right, ma'am. So now you are familiar so that you can have next session very cool.
Of course. I'll join in live. So we'll
Yeah.
be waiting for this
Right, ma'am.
video. Just upload
Right,
the
ma'am.
video. Okay. Thank you,
I'm
everyone.
just uploading it.
Okay.
Take care, ma'am. Have a nice evening.
Thank you. You too.
Good
Take
night.
care. Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye,
Bye.
Pradeep.
Bye.
Bye-bye.